Hello, puppet.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Okay.
The shiny son of a bitches. We're in my room right now. I'm Sarah Needle.
I'm Dana Flav.
We're chilling.
That strawberry film, but you better teach me now or I'll turn into a villain. I'll scream. I'll shout. I'll crack. This is Beanie Bracket.
That was really homo. Speaking of homo, my brother's in the next room.
Homo.
Okay. How's it going, everyone? If you haven't noticed yet, I came out of the closet. I am a lesbian. Not. Oh, Jesus. What should we talk about, Flav?
Flav.
That's what we're not done.
Oh, do you want me to get that for you?
Okay. So, the other day, I smacked this kid in the face. We're gonna leave his name anonymous, though everyone pretty much knows who it is. I made his lip bleed. He cried. It was a good time.
Stop.
We're about to wrestle. Oh. Ouch! Ouch! Oh my God! Oh, we're not even in the camera. So,
how's it going?
I hope that Evan Wilkins is masturbating to this right now. Justin Souders, you too? Tyler Thomas, yeah.
Oh, where's your knee going?
Whoops. Whoopsies. Yeah, this is my room. This. Notice the Christmas lights, and I'm Jewish. I don't know if you can see the Christmas lights.
I don't think so either.
It's
Just
hot
like
pink.
wrap them around us and be like, yeah, I'm a disco ball.
Notice she's like on me right now. Like my legs are open. What else is new? I'm coming on the bed. Yeah. It's late at night. We're bored.
Yeah.
Give us 484. You thought I was gonna give you my phone number.
484.
Oh, there's some on my eye. Oh. Okay. I'll paint your nails.
I'll do anything.
I'll use my remote up
Oh
your
my
ass.
gosh, wait. Oh, me so horny.
I'll put my tank top on you.
You wanna put it on me?
Put it. Take a video of you putting it on me. Wait, like a Barbie doll. Okay, enough of that. Let's close this thing.
Okay.
I think this one is the one we're gonna put on YouTube or something.
Yeah, this one sounds good.
So yeah, y'all Christian people have a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
My Jews, Happy Hanukkah. And whatever you call people who celebrate Kwanzaa, Happy Kwanzaa.
Wait. Menorah. Oh, happy.
Tyler Merrick? Yeah.
This is a menorah.
Apparently the shocker is the menorah. So,
If you put them together, you know.
Yeah.
So,
So, yeah, I'm booking it.